Are you a YouTube content creator who uses other people's videos to make your own? You most likely want to monetize your videos, but reused content prevents you from being monetized with AdSense. You apply for monetization and they still reject you, but your videos are still getting a lot of views and people like them. How can you monetize your videos and be compensated for your efforts? In this video, I'll show you some ideas that will help you make money on YouTube with reused content. So, if you want to learn how to monetize reused content and earn money without AdSense, watch the entire video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video before we begin. In the comments, you can also suggest a topic for the next video. Before we begin, you should understand what reused content is and what types of videos are not fully monetized. Believe me, I know what I'm saying. Because my channels were rejected many times, and I was still able to monetize them with ads on my videos or any other way that I'll show you in this video, so watch the entire video to be able to monetize your video. Let me explain and demonstrate the types of videos that will not be monetized with AdSense without any doubles. The reused content provision in the monetization rules is intended to prevent videos from being stolen from other channels and added to your own with no changes. As a result, all of the tutorials you've seen about being able to re-upload movies under the Creative Commons license don't work and will never work. YouTube is a money-making machine, and in order to do so, it must have advertiser-friendly content on it, so that videos cannot be stolen and re-uploaded. No one wants their brand advertised on stolen movies. It's simple and clear. So if you are just stealing other videos and re-uploading them to your channel, you don't have any chances to monetize them with AdSense. Furthermore, the YouTube algorithm is not stupid and detects videos that have been copied one-to-one. You cannot expect large views on such videos because they are not promoted in any way if the theft is detected. You will not be accepted for monetization if you upload videos from other sites directly to YouTube without editing them in any way. Everything is thoroughly checked and detected. Okay, enough of the reasons why you won't be accepted for monetization. I'm going to show you how to make money on your channel even if it's not eligible for monetization. Affiliate marketing is the first way to monetize your channel. It is a well-known and well-proven method of making money on YouTube without the monetization. I'll show you two popular websites where affiliate marketers make millions of dollars every year. The well-known ClickBank is the first. You can choose from thousands of products in a variety of categories on ClickBank. It's as simple as that. Select a product that best fits your channel or niche. If your channel is about dogs and you make compilation videos with dogs, as you can see, you can promote brain training for dogs. It's perfect for your market. Once you've decided on a product, all you have to do is create your affiliate link and include it in the description. It's as simple as that. Simply include your link in the description, and you'll be able to earn money without doing anything else. Amazon is the place to be if you've decided on a gadget niche. Choose from a wide range of products available on Amazon around the world and earn a commission on any sales made through your link. It does not have to be the exact product shown in your video, but you should consider it. Commenting on your videos is another way to monetize them. You can easily monetize your reactions to certain movies. Your comment does not have to be extremely detailed or accurate. All you have to do is describe what you see in the movie and give your brief opinion on whether or not what you see is cool. You can also solicit feedback from viewers and ask them to leave it in the form of a comment. This way, you will add additional value to the video that YouTube enjoys. This is the most straightforward way to monetize such videos, but you must be brave enough to use your voice or even record your reactions. This is not a way for everyone, but you should think about whether it will be the best for you and your channel. Without using AdSense, you can earn money from Google ads that appear on your videos. Yes, it is possible, and the majority of YouTube gurus do not discuss or even know about it. If you've been turned down by Google, you should think about working with a record label. It is the only and ideal way to monetize channels that are not suitable for monetization on YouTube. Monetizing is one of the labels that you can apply to and earn money with. You can join them by clicking this button, which can be found on their website, but we'll get to that later. First, I'll explain what this company does and why they can profit from your videos and share the profits with you. They are, as you can see, using the Content ID system. It means that when creators use a small portion of music from Zing library in their YouTube videos, Monetizing claims their videos. They will give you their music to use in your video, so that they can monetize it on YouTube. You only need to use 40 seconds of their music to get your video claimed. If you use this music as an intro or at the end of your video, it's not a big deal. The revenue will be split 70% to 30%, which means you will receive 70% of the money made from your video. It's a fair trade if we can't make money from AdSense. They will pay you monthly via PayPal, with a minimum payout of $50, so the majority of channels will be fine. You're probably wondering how much money your videos can make you. It all depends on where your viewers are coming from and the subject matter of your videos. It works in the same way as a regular monetized channel, except that profits are split with music labels. I just told you everything you need to know to start making money from your channel. Now all you have to do is sign up for the Monetizing website and wait for them to accept your application. I just gave you 3 ideas for monetizing reused content in 2022. If you want to learn more, please leave a comment. Have you ever heard of any of these ideas? Please let us know what you think and if you've tried any of them. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon. Please remember to like and subscribe.